Here we go. Okay, so we have to find the place value of digits in whole numbers. What place value of digit in whole numbers? What is the first thing that we need to do before we start solving the problem?
I know, seriously.
Go ahead, Caitlin.
Oh my gosh. You have to read the sentence and underline the keyword.
So we have to, one, read the sentence. Which digit indicates the number of ones in 246,987? And then what?
Underline the keyword.
What are the most important keywords? What are the most important keywords in this problem? What are the most important keywords in this problem? Which digit indicates the number of ones in 246,987? Jessica.
The most important word in the sentence in the problem is indicates
Digits.
indicate and numbers.
Number. That number is important, but there's two other ones that are the most important ones. What do you think are the most important ones, Steven? Ones and then 900. Now, so now we've solved what the most important keywords are. Now, what is something that we need to solve this problem? Something that will make our life a lot easier. I heard someone earlier. Say, go ahead.
It's the verbs that you put on underline.
Yeah, the actions, but we'll get there. That's in a word problem. We'll get there. There's something else that you need to know, or you need to have access to in order to help you solve the problem. Lomas, go ahead. What do we need? You said it before, Gerardo.
We need to underline the verb.
We already underlined keywords. Gerardo, go ahead.
We need to underline the verbs and the actions.
No, they're not here. Well, that's somewhat what we need. I already did underline the verbs, which I then erased, but I need a place value chart. So Gerardo mentioned earlier, Mr. Chavez, you need to know the ones, the tens, what else?
Hundreds, we cannot hear this.
Okay, so at some point in the near future, you will have to memorize this.
All of that?
Yes.
Easy. I already got it.
You will have to memorize.
One,
the place value chart.
I know the whole
So,
entire like
now, so once you identify which digit indicates the number of ones in 246,987,000, what you have to do then is you need to get the number and write it on the place value chart. Now, tell me if I'm doing this okay. 246,987,000.
No. That's incorrect. That's right.
Okay, so what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Alexion, go ahead. Good. Move.
Start at the ones place.
Thank you. Can you say that louder?
You have to start in the ones place.
Now, so that's exactly what Alexion's doing. She told me to move the 7 over to the 1s. So when we're trying to find what the value of a digit is, when we're trying to find what the value of a digit, of any digit, is in a number, we need to start in the 1s and write, actually we're writing backwards, right?
Yeah.
9,
We're starting at
6,
1 and we're ending at
4, and 2. And there's our number. Our number is 246,987. Are we done here?
No, because you have to find the digit that is number 1. That indicates the 1.
Thank you. Find the digit that indicates the 1s. And that digit is, show me with your fingers, what's the digit that's in the 1s place? Show me the digit that's in the 1s place. Show me, yeah, she can't see back there. Show me the digit that's in the 1s place. What is the digit that's in the 1s place?
Oh!
Jasmine.
The digit that's in the 1's place is 7.
It's 7. So, we found our answer. Our answer is 7. It is too big, huh?
Oh, yeah, it's too big. That's cool.
Okay, so, and that is our answer. It's in the 1's place. Now, so, we solved that problem. Now we're going to do number 2. Thank you. I have to do the same steps. What were the same steps, Stephen? What was step number 1? What was step number 1?
What does document 2 means in the number 920,043?
Okay, so what does the digit 2 mean in the number 928,743? That is what we need to solve. What do I have to do next? Janine,
The second or third?
we're on number 2. So it's, I already read the problem. Now what?
The set.
Go ahead.
Underline the important word.
Good.
Underline the key word.
Underline keywords. So, what does the digit 2 mean in the number 928,743? Ready? I'm just gonna call on random people, random students. You need to tell me what the keywords are. Go ahead. Josue.
Digit.
Okay, what is a digit? Good. Yes. I like how you use that strategy of looking at the other problem. good strategy to use. Steven,
Number 2.
number 2.
And what it means.
Brianna, 43. So, okay, so I identified keywords. Now what's my next step? What's step number 3? What is step number 3? I'm going to write step number 3 down here just because I ran out of space. What is step number 3? Ms. Fierro, go ahead. Write the answer and what again? Write the what? Good. Write the number. So write the number with the tens. Okay, so write the number
You bring the number chart.
in the place value chart. Write the number in the place value chart. Beginning where?
In the ones place. You always start in the ones place. Número uno. That is true. You always begin in the ones place.
Beginning in the ones place. Okay. Sorry. So 928, 743. Okay, so I'm gonna write 928, 743.
Now we have to indicate. Now you have to. Now you have.
Alexion, go ahead.
You have to put it around because the three. You look in the ooh. The one place and the four becomes the place and the 10 is the 100 place and the 8 is the 1,000 and the 2 is the
Thank you.
10,000.
Remember, we have to write it 743, 928. That way we don't get confused and we just copy it exactly how it appears, but we start with the 3 and we work our way to the left. So that's the 3 and the 1 there. Okay. Now, oh wait, we don't need to find the 1s anymore, right? Let me erase that. So what is that? What does the digit 2 mean in the number 928,743? What does the 2 mean? 2 what? Marisa, go ahead. 2 what? What does the 2 mean? Marissa, thank you, Marissa.
The 2 means it's in 10,000.
So 2 what?
In the 1,000.
2's in the 2's in the what? The 2's in the 10,000. So how many 10,000s do we have?
10,000.
2 of them, right? Is that 2 10,000s there, Marissa?
Yes.
Yes, that is 2 10,000s. So what's our answer over here?
2 10,000.
Marissa,
2 10,000.
which is letter
E.
B. There.